Hello, it's 10:20 p.m. and just now our dinner is over. So I couldn't make a top 10 in that Fortune Master class influencer, but I am in the top 25. So I have got lots of gifts. Once I'll go back to Kolkata, I will show you. So right now I can show you this only, though it's like a mirror image. So basically June is my birthday month and I think I got the best gift in my life. And I never expected like this, this fortune food contest started February 2025, and now it's May 31st of May 2025. February, March, April, May, 4 months we are into the master class, and then we are learning so many things, and finally we are here. So I came to Ahmedabad. It was a great learning experience, and there are 25 ladies. They came from all over India, and I was very happy that I am in top 25. I never thought that I can be in top 25, but top 100 definitely I was expecting. So tomorrow will be my flight. It's uh, I mean, I'm speechless. This is a very big achievement for me. So there are many prizes, and maybe collaboration is coming. So my life is going to be changed, and this is the first time it will be a scattered vlog. I'll show you what we did in this Ahmedabad. During this meet and greet session, I met Meghna ma'am. Meghna's Food Magic. She's a very nice person, and everybody is good over here. I make lots of good friends, so we will try to stay connected, and definitely I'll share what I get as a top 25 influencer kit. And as I said that I was not very well today morning, because this is my first flight. So suddenly I had stomach ache, stomach pain, and then stomach upset is there. So it was really very bad for me. So I couldn't do the lunch properly, but in the final event I was good. So right now I have to call my mom and dad. As I said, it's 10:20. They are also thinking about me because I was not well, and really the starter kit is really very heavy. I will show you everything, and I will share the journey, the dates, how we are doing. And yes, jet lag is there, and as I said, my back pain was there. Right now I cannot feel anything. So I have to do the packing for tomorrow morning, because I don't it's 9:20 a.m. flight, so I don't want to be late. That's why I'll do the packing everything right now, and maybe I can sleep for 2 hours maximum, not more than that. So signing off.